Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to buy and sell coins in CoinMarketCap. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, can you buy and sell cryptocurrencies or coins in CoinMarketCap? So we first need to learn what is CoinMarketCap. Well, CoinMarketCap here is a website which in this case you should be able to learn more on how cryptocurrencies or coins or some assets are actually moving right now. So you should be able to see the trends, may be uptrends or downtrends. You should be able to see it in CoinMarketCap. Now, whenever you visit your profile at the top right here and go to your portfolio here, you should be able to see all the assets that you've basically linked. But the thing here is CoinMarketCap is not an exchange. It's more of like a management tool. So meaning you can only view what you have right now in your account. So for example, if you added an account here, for example, you have this much on a specific wallet, or if you have this much on your Binance portfolio, you should be able to see it in here. But the thing here is you cannot sell or buy cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Now, you might need to use a different platform like Binance or Coinbase for you to basically buy and sell cryptocurrency, since, again, CoinMarketCap is not an exchange. It's more like a management tool or a tool that you use to reference some prices that they have in CoinMarketCap. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.